Hello guys, back again, MK Cedric, video number 6 of the Cape Coast series. We are at Kakum National Park. Yes guys, the rainforest reserve with canopy walk. I've been living in Ghana for a long time now, and this is one of the touristic attractions I always wanted to visit and experience for myself. Well, here we are, and I'm so excited for this adventure. I hope you are too. We set off quite early from our hotel this morning because Kakum Park is approximately 20 minutes away from the hotel, and we have a lot of activities and places to visit today since it's our last night in Cape Coast. Among the activities at the park, the most popular one is the canopy walk, which is 350 meters long and connects 7 treetops, which we will definitely undertake. But more interesting and exotic activities are animal observation and camping overnight. Some endangered species of fauna lives within the park. We are talking about Diana monkeys, giant bongo antelope, yellow-backed duiker, and African elephant. I wish I have enough time for these exotic activities, but this will be for another time for sure. Enough talking, else the tour guide will have nothing much to tell you about the park. Guys, help me grow the channel by subscribing and liking my videos. Arigato. Miss Charlie. Well guys, we have arrived. First attraction we are greeted with is the children's park. We will proceed to the reception, choose the activities we want to undertake, and pay for it. I will show you the list of the activities and the price range. Take a second, pause the video, and check the activities and the prices. So guys, we are going to hike and go for the canopy walk. Now we are going to the waiting area. Sure. What are we doing? Are we taking some refreshment, some drinks, or food?
I'm trying to get something to eat so that by the time I come back, my food is ready. So...
Would you mind the Ghanaian accent, you know?
Sorry, but this how I talk. Sorry, but it's unfortunate if you can hear what I'm saying, but that's how I talk.
All right, so what do you have on the menu?
We have a lot of delicious stuff. Oh, I took some energy drink so I don't collapse. We have really good stuff. Really good stuff.
Yeah. Okay, so guys, we'll be ordering something before we go for the canopy walk. I think that's all. Okay, beautiful. Guys, the adventure is about to start. Ready? Let's go.
I'm your guide.
Definitely.
Please, we are going to do a little exercise by climbing a hill before we get to the national park.
Wow.
Maybe after climbing, you become thirsty, so you can take a bottle of water with you. Also, we have some resting places, so if you get tired, you just draw my attention. Are you please okay?
Yes.
Please, let's start.
Yes. I went to the dungeon yesterday. I think you can do this.
Yeah, you can do this.
Wow, look at the ants. I think so.
Come on, you can do this.
You just took one full bottle of energy drink. Show us it works. This is like a shelter. It's too early, it's too early. Let's go. Last mile, last mile.
This is the last.
One thing is sure, I won't be the last one. I'll be fine. I don't know about you. This is really a trail. No casualties? I did go to change. Okay. The casualties are coming.
Serious punishment.
Not be exercising. You get exposed.
I hope.
We are tired.
Guys, this is not for the faint-hearted.
No,
No, this is just the beginning.
don't be deceived. Okay, let's wait for her.
Yeah?
We have finished climbing the hill of 210 feet with 87 steps. That is 70 meters. So we have now entered the Kakum National Park. The Kakum National Park was established in 1932 and officially opened to the public in 1994. It is a tropical semi-deciduous rainforest, and it covers an area of 360 square kilometers. We have two attractions at the Kakum National Park. The canopy walkway, that's the suspension bridge we are going to cross. We have also hiking. The hiking is an exciting and also educative tour. It's the explanation of the trees and their cultural and medicinal values. We don't promise of seeing the animals in the daytime because they are nocturnal. They are only active in the night and early in the morning. Not all of them are nocturnal, but sometimes the noise scares them. Also, you are blessed to meet me as your guide because I'm botanist. So you are going to enjoy an exciting tour as Ben is your guide. Thank you.
Thank you. Beautiful presentation.
Please, we come across these two trees. They are different trees, but they don't usually grow together like this. And they are among the hard trees in the forest. I used to call Mr. and Mrs., but this is small Mrs. Very soon we are going to see a very old Mrs. We have a son as the local name, and the scientific name is Celtis mibledi. Mrs. is Danta, Nisodegonia peppervelifera.
Wow.
And we Ghanaians, our favorite food is fufu. You know fufu?
Yes.
And the sapling of these trees, the young ones, are used for the pestle used to pound fufu, the stamper.
Okay.
And Dante too, the big ones, are used for the mortar, the wooden bowl. We pan in fufu. So this for the pestle and this for the mortar. The sign is also used as chewing stick. Dante too, the big ones, the balls are used for roofing and furniture. And also the best gun bat, the handle of the gun. The best one is from Dante.
Wow.
Please, any question? Thank you.
That was comprehensive.
Please, you make your choice. If you are not more interested in the hike, you tell me that we just move. Okay. Please, you see this double tree here? It's called waterpro. Waterpro bears fruits like cola nuts, which are edible. The color is red and it's really sweet, so we call it cola gengentia. Formerly, our ancestors were using the dried leaves for roofing. And here are some of the dried leaves. When they take one, they add another one, they will pin it lightly, and it could last more than 5 years for roofing. They do millions of this. They tied it well with ropes and sticks. And they were using this for roofing only their bedrooms because it can throw fire when they use for the kitchen. Before they discovered using bamboo for the kitchen and the bedrooms. Thank you.
There's another one of these trees. It's so wide at the bottom and tall.
Wow, I didn't see the top. It's so tall. Look at the branches there.
Yeah.
Wow. It's incredible.
But you can come closer here. Now I'm coming to give you history, entertain you, and we go to the bridge.
Okay.
Please, you see the big tree there. It's called Chen Chen, Antiales tossicaria. Chen Chen is among the soft trees, so it grows very fast. So if Mr. Isan will be 300 years, Chen Chen will be 200 years, because the hard trees grow slowly and the soft trees grow fast. It has a thick bark. The bark is almost 2 inches deep. Formerly, the bark were used as cloth. They peel the bark of Chen Chen tree, they beat it, wash it and dry it. It becomes something like fabric, so they used to cover the body. And you know, it was colonial days, so when they say their body, it means their private parts. It was colonial days. Chen Chen is also used for plywood. When Chen Chen tree dies, it produces an edible mushroom. Before our colonial masters brought us the wax, everyone was wearing the colonial Chen Chen. It was colonial days. And you know, every lady needs a new thing. So every man tried to buy the wax for the wife. One man couldn't get money to buy the wax for the wife. So my friend bought the wax for the lady and married her. So the man's family started crying. Chen Chen biye di mewu, Chen Chen biye di mewu, Chen Chen biye di mewu. AJ, that Chen Chen has caused the marriage because he couldn't get money to buy the wax. Somebody has married the wife. Please, are you enjoying?
Yes.
Thank you.
That's the meaning of the song.
Okay.
You know that song?
Definitely not.
It's a Ghanaian song. Old Ghanaian song.
Is that Infanti? Which language was that?
Yes,
Infanti?
Infanti.
Okay. Thank God there's not that up there. Careful.
It's so moist in here.
Tropical.
I know the song, eh? But we don't
How it
it's
came
over.
about.
Please, I just mentioned mortar, the wooden bowl we pan in fufu. We have about 4 trees that are good for the mortar. But the best of them all is the tree you see with dead black antennas around, called Kusia, Nukiria dedidachi. Kusia is also among the hard trees, and the color is yellow. So when our mothers wash the mortar, it becomes really black. So they prefer Kusia to Danta and Udum. Udum is dark, and Dante too is brown. So they prefer the yellow one. And this tree is over 300 years and almost 74 meters high. Thank you.
I'm tall like this, yeah.
Are you all here? Please, you see this tall, smooth tree here with buttress system of fruit like chamber and hall called Ophram, Terminella superba. Ophram is among the tall trees in the forest and is the only tree that the African grey parrot chose to live in the top. Do you know the grey parrot?
Yes.
And the bird that speaks English.
Oh.
And the Germans call it papagay. You know, when this park was established as National Park in 1987, before 87, we were coming inside in groups to take medicine, chewing stick, pasty for pounding fufu, and so forth. Sometimes you lost your partner. And formally in this forest, they don't whisper for a call. Also, they don't glide for a call. Otherwise, they will be vanished by the dwarfs. Formally, not now. So to call the lost ones, you go to the buttress of Ophram. You find a big stick. Then you hit the buttress.
Oh.
The lost ones will get the sound about a mile away and come to your place. So they were using the buttress as communication. So Ophram is among the best trees for the flames of the big drums for the chiefs and also for furniture. We have white and dark Ophram. This is white Ophram. I call it the Motorola tree for communication.
Talkie-walkie. You know?
Yeah.
Let's do that. Canopy walk. Or not yet? I hope so.
Okay. My heart just got myself.
Agu. Agu.
Amen.
Please, we are just at the canopy walk. And we started our trip with Mr. and Mrs. Mrs. was so young. Now you see old Mrs. there. The big tree you see. We are going to cross. You will see the name pasted on it. Danta. Nisogodonia Pepper Velfel. Please, the canopy walkway was constructed in the year 1994 and opened in 1995. It was constructed by 2 Canadian engineers from Vancouver and was held by 6 Ghanaians. Some are here training people for maintenance. They used to maintain the bridges. We have 7 bridges with 6 resting places. Each resting place don't take more than 6 people.
Wow.
So when you get there, you rest for some seconds, you continue your journey.
Okay.
The nature of the bridges, it may shake, but that makes it beautiful or interesting. If you are scared of height, don't look down. No, I'm not telling you don't go. Don't look down. Please, when you get to the first platform and you are more scared, instead of coming back, you take your left-hand side. That is shortcut. Okay. Instead of 7, you cross just 3 bridges. But I assure you to enjoy your trip by going through the 7 bridges.
Yes.
Also, be careful. Please, also be careful you don't drop anything. Please, it's walkway, not running way. So we don't run away. Also, avoid shaking the bridge to scare your friend. After the walk, please, after the walk, I will tell you the length and the height. Okay. Thank you.
No, that's not.
It's a bad idea.
An eye on you. I prefer that. Maybe I might have to carry you.
So at least if I have to take left, I take left. Okay.
We're doing the 7.
Okay. 7, right?
Yep.
Oh no, we're doing
Oh, we're definitely doing that.
I'm doing
There's no 2
I
way.
know.
I think, guys, I'm thinking
So
about something.
guys, wish me luck.
We need. I think we should go with that. If not, she'll give
I
us in trouble.
She'll be stuck somewhere.
I know, and then we are fucked. Pro tips, that's pro tips.
Are you sure I'm not gonna go last?
Nah. Gotta keep an eye on you.
We're there.
No, no. Oh, that's nice. But
Keep going. Those on the platform. Keep going.
don't be scared. Just keep walking. So we are safe. Yep. Definitely. This is nice. This is incredible. Are we going left or right? What about the 7? I'm not doing 3, right?
This is 3.
This is 3, you said? The left is 3? Okay, I don't want 3. I want 7. So, you want to follow them? Let's wait for them to move. Wow, look at this. Yeah? Yeah, this is...
See.
It's very safe.
Why are you not holding anything?
That's Black Panther, eh? Oh, really?
He's not holding anything.
So we are going 12.
But why are you relaxing over there?
Oh, Winnie is really a lion. It shakes when it's safe. If it doesn't shake, then you know that it's not. Can you? You have the vim to even look down, eh? Nope. Let's not think about that. Oh, okay. All right. Shall we? Wait for them to go first, right?
Somebody's shouting. No one is shouting. Okay. The person is jubilating. Oh, I like this height. Yeah.
You scare me.
I can even climb the tree there.
Why do you feel it's smaller?
So you are not even holding anything.
I don't need to hold anything.
Let me try. I don't want to hold it. Let me try it. Oh God. I can do this. Yes. Let me try and see. Oh yeah.
Don't embarrass me like this. Everybody see I'm scared.
Yeah, I don't want it. Yeah.
Shaking. It's shaking.
I'm doing this right.
Yeah.
Fine, I'm not scared.
Jungle monkey.
Superwoman. You're superwoman behind us.
And cat lady on your back.
Inside and side.
Let's keep going.
It's not scary, guys. So you should all try this, okay?
She was never scared, you know, from the beginning.
Never
Very bold and
be
strong, you know?
scared. I used to think it was scary, but
She conquered it.
it's not
She conquered it.
scary.
She conquered it.
See?
Where's Winnie?
No hands.
Oh, she's the lion, you know.
I'm even
Lion
doing this with no hands. With no hands, guys. So, yeah.
You good?
Yes.
All right, guys. I think I'm done on cameraman duty. Then resume my canopy walk.
Cameraman duty with the lion. Oh my god.
Now we're climbing up. So, no, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Which one?
I'm sure she's a soldier. I'm sure.
I know, right?
You know.
No, it's not that. There's the two of them on the field. So they are comfortable.
I don't care. She's a soldier.
It's nice.
Done and did it. Conquered. Checked. Oh, this is a beautiful view of everybody in line. She's chasing insect. Hey! Oh yeah. Some monster coming. Oh god, I'm scared. Come and get me. Oh, damn it. Gotta run. I'm cornered. Running for my life. Wow, now you can sing. Super recline. They've left her. For me, where are they? Okay, they went straight and right.
Okay.
So it's not over. Let's keep pace with them.
Yeah. Woo. Here is easy. Oh, yeah, you're going fast.
No, now we are pros, you know. Now we are pros.
Yeah, almost down. Ow. Yeah, you're going fast.
Follow who know road. Yes, but no, we go right. They went right.
No, I see we are done. So let's go
Another one.
We can walk here the whole day.
We should put on repeat for the whole day.
We
In fact, the whole year.
crossing, practicing.
If they'll bring us food, we can do that.
Then, if we do that by the end of today, we'll be
You'll be
walking
okay.
like that guy.
Yeah, with the chest out.
I know,
Just
right?
walk straight. See?
She's so confused. She jumped on it. Then she,
Hey, you are running.
she realized that. What am I doing?
I'm going to reach there and shake the two of them.
Hey.
Shake you left and
No, you have Lion and Black Panther here. You know, we good.
You pass
You know, we did Black Panther in 1 and 2.
You see what she's doing?
I know that. She's trying us. We'll try you soon.
Oh, soldier is coming for you. Ow.
Did it, you know. No sweat.
I can't do this.
She can. Yeah, we've been in the middle. Go back in the middle, then we jump on it. How about that?
it's really nice.
Jump?
It's nice.
Too much confidence in the air. Too much confidence.
Wait, but are you taking pictures?
No, that's fine. We take it. Yeah, that's... I survived!
I hope you can scan technique and some of the environmental side.
My phone.
Yes.
But then it's not crispy.
It's crispy, right? Yeah, let's eat it. It's okay. So somebody have eaten enough.
Where did you do it? Where did you do it?
Then the setting.
Show me. I'll do it for that.
And get paid, right?